YouTube channel. I am finally booked in at the Marriott Hotel in Panama. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the room that I'll be staying in. I booked in from yesterday, but I finally got a chance to do this video because I was on the road yesterday and I got home a little tired and all that, but I'm going to show you guys the room I'm staying in, and that's it. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the room now. Okay guys, so I just entered the room, and then over here to my right I have the bathroom. I got up this morning and took a shower already. That's why the toilet is right here, and I have my things right there, the toilet is right there, the sink is right here, I have a blow dryer. Oh, and a phone is also here, guys. Yep, so this is the bathroom. And then when you enter here, you're gonna see the living room. Guys, right here is kind of a mess right now. As I said, I got home a little tired last night, so I didn't get to pack up anything, but I'm definitely gonna do that shortly. These are going to move into the bedroom and then I'll pack them out. Over here, you have a phone right here. I can sit right here and edit my little videos while I'm here and all of that. Some cupboards up here. Got a phone right here. Can call them whatever. But I have a sofa right there, and as you can see, one is right here. Super coat them there. Over here we have a dining area. I can eat while enjoying the view out there. Yep. Okay, and then over here we have the kitchen. We have the sink, the stove, coffee maker, toaster, microwave, and the fridge. The fridge is empty. Up here, I have plates up there and cups down here. Is empty. After I just wash the dishes, I can put them in here. And then we have a garbage bin right there. Okay. And now over here we have oh, I also have a TV in the living room, guys. See that? That's a nice big screen TV. Now open this door, we have the bedroom with two bedside tables, 4 lights. That's 2 right there and 1 right there, and another one over the door there. We have also have a next TV in the bedroom, along with closet with a iron board and hanger. Over here we have a safe. We have a laundry basket down there. We have an extra pillow up there. Yeah, so coming in to pack up my things, I'm going to pack them out in here. Okay, open this door right here. We can also enter the bathroom. Yeah, so there's 2 doors to enter the bathroom. And then over here we have a mirror in the bedroom, and there's a window here. Yep, it's nice, guys. I'm moving last night, not last night, yesterday in the afternoon, but then I went on the road, so I didn't get to do the video from yesterday. Okay guys, this is the end of my room tour. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video because I'll be in Panama for a couple more days, so I'll be vlogging, so you can stay tuned and wait for me to post those videos. Okay, yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time.